Hello guys, today we will discuss about magnetic lines of forces, that chapter, class 10, CBSE, also ICSE. Okay, maybe that part also in 12th class may be there. Okay, some basic parts of that part, basic part of that magnetism. Okay, I will discuss today. It is also available in class 12 also and at 10th CBSE ICSE both. Okay, so let me discuss that part. Okay, actually last class I have discussed about the electric current and the charges. Okay, so today we will discuss how the electric current is related to magnetism. Electric current is related to magnetism. Suppose this is a plus and this is minus, that is a cell, right? This is a cell. This is a positive cell and this is negative. So when this cell is here, and you know that is when a cell is connected to a valve, then that cell is connected here. One is negative, one is positive. The cell, one cell is there, and the positive bulb is now glowing. Okay, so from here, the conventional current is flowing, and from here, that is like that. So flow of current is there, and there is a magnetic field is produced, and this current now the bulb starts to glow. My point is here, main point, very important point. When a current is flowing, this is plus, this is minus. Okay, if that board is not visible to you, okay, I hope you can understand what I am telling. So please just zoom your mobile. Okay, जदि एटा तुमको ठीक से देखा जाउनी टिके जूम करो पूरा क्लियरली पिक्चरटा देखा जिवो कारण मते हम चाहूची एक्चुअली in that board most of the part I can write on the board single page, but I don't want to rub the board frequently. Okay, so frequently I don't want to rub the boards, that's why I am telling that please zoom the board and you can see it clearly so that I can write all the things on the board, okay, without any rubbing. So once again focus class here. This is the flow of current carrying conductor. Okay, what is that? A current carrying conductor. On a current carrying conductor, there is a magnetic field. According to here, Fleming's according to right hand thumb rule, there is a right hand thumb rule in electricity. The right hand thumb rule, what is right hand thumb rule? It is observed that from right hand thumb rule, that is from plus to minus. When current is flowing from plus to minus, I will write in thumb rule. Right hand thumb, based on this thumb here, thumb and other fingers. This is thumb rule. What is thumb rule? Now thumb rule indicates that the direction of the current that is indicated by thumb, or that is buddhanguli, right? So if thumb indicates the direction of the current and other fingers shows the direction of the magnetic field. So direction of the magnetic field and direction of the current, they are like that, in that way. Okay, so once again I am just explaining this one, right hand thumb rule. So if the current is flowing in this direction upward, this is the what? Magnetic field. If like this, the current is flowing in that direction, left hand side, my left hand side, then the magnetic field is like this. Like this, the field is directed like this, in that if you observe this side, so this is means anti-clockwise. If you observe this, so this is anti-clockwise. From this side you have to look at that. This is anti-clockwise, right? Anti-clockwise. So anti-clockwise. Here also anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise, right? This is also anti-clockwise. So thumb indicates the direction of current. Other finger shows the direction of magnetic field. I hope you understood this one. So that magnetic field, I am discussing different situations, different cases, right? So this is a current conductor. If that current conductor, there is a loop. Okay, so this is a plus, this is minus. If this is a plus, this is minus. So the current is flowing from the conductor, and there is a magnetic field. There is a magnetic field, right? Okay, so this is also loop. This is also called loop. While the wire is there, you can just bend. The wire is bent. So from here, from right side, the flow of current is there, and from positive to negative, and it will bend same way, the right side to left side. So what happened? According to same rule, according to right hand thumb rule, the right hand thumb rule when current is moving upward. So at that point, suppose this is A and this is B. At the A side, if the current is flowing upward, there is a magnetic field anticlockwise. So here is also upward anticlockwise A CW, and here this is clockwise. Same thing. Left side in this way, right side in this way. Right side what? Right side, right side, right hand thumb rule. Right side in this way. When it remove, that is the left side downward, right side upward. The right side magnetic field, left side magnetic field. Understood? So it's very easy, very easy. Once you concept very clear, no, you can write your own words. Okay. जदि तुम कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर थी जमा से चाहे क्वेश्चन जल्दी पढ़ले तो कर दे पारिबो तो कॉन्सेप्ट यदि क्लियर ना हो ना तो दैट द बिग प्रॉब्लम ओके किछि पढ़िबो काई ना गोटे घाटी खाली घोषिबो लिखिबो तो घोषिबो लिखले कोन घोषिक अच्छा देखो घोषिबा तो निश्चित पड़ो आमको तुम बुझ कि ना बुझ मन रखा पड़ो दुनिया में जिते लोग परीक्षा दौरान एग्जाम दौरान पास कर फाइनाली कथा हूँ कौन दे हैव टू रिमेंबर दैट पॉइंट मेथड आल्सो रिमेंबर that concept also you have to remember, and the words also you have to remember, and the definition also you have to remember. Finally you will remember I am here teaching because of my I have remembered, I know the concept I have cleared, so I can explain, I can challenge to any age. Okay, because on that topic I am very clear, that's why I can explain without any book. Okay, so even without a book, khali only headline just give me, at least I can complete the syllabus. Complete the syllabus without book. Khali only just tell me the topic name. Tell me the topic name. CBSE, ICSE, and class 10 or 9. Okay, at least syllabus I can complete without book. Only headlines of just give chapter after topic. Because after getting 20 years experience, so that's I have a confidence that on that topic that part is available. So I can explain because that concept also I know very clearly. अरे बुझी पड़छो नहीं माने मु तो टिके कथा एमती नॉर्मल स्पीड में आउ जो स्पीड कथा कहे ना पूरा फंडा क्लियर थे धड़ कह दी गोटे भी कथा वर्ड ही भूल नथिबो तो सेथि पई कहूछ ना तमे दि पाठ बुझिथिबो कथा स्पीड रे कहि परिबो सब कथा ठीक रे लिखि परिबो बुझि नथिबो दि भूलभाल हो ओके प्लीज मन देख सुन पिला माने देखुछन्ते हला सेही लागो तमरो जहा तमरो कमेंट दियो तमे वीडियो देख तमरो निज मतामत कोन दउछ दियो है किंतु किसी बैड जिन लिखनी बिकज मैंने बैड जिन लिखे तुम लस मोर कि लस हेनी मोर कि लस हेनी है मन रख कहीं मत जे गाड़ी करे ना तो टीचर मत गाड़ी कले कौन हम तो भल कथा शिखुचे मत गाड़ी कर तो गाड़ी कले कौन हम गाड़ी कर के कमेंट जहाँ भी दौर दियो तो से मोर किसी फरक नहीं मुझे खाद्य करेंगे तो कथा है कौन ना मुझे तुम गाड़ी कर मुझे कौन कह जान तो आउे कल आउे गाड़ी कर हाँ हाँ कल कल ठीक है पुणे कलु तो तते मुझे घोषेदेवी तो गाड़ीटा तते मुझे घोषेदेवी अच्छा आम गुरु ना तुमको घोषेदेव तो से तुम बोल लस ना तुम लस खाइल आमर फर्क पड़ोनी आम तो रिसीव कर तो गाड़ीटा मुंडे बसलस ना ओके तुम जस्ट वार्निंग लगे गोटे कौन ना पे भल मत रेस्पेक्ट दब मत भल कमेंट दब तो मत पाठ पढ़ा मजा लगे तो अल्टिमेटली यू विल गेट बेनिफिटेड ओके कि फायदा हो वीडियो देख किसी फायदा होनी तुम लस हो तुम टाइम वेस्ट हो से वीडियो देखा लेकिन नो डाउट वीडियो फायदा हम ही हम जो मैंने पाठ बुझी ना जो मैंने बुझे तो इट्स ओके तो देखा दरकार नहीं तो ये कथा कहली नॉर्मल बैटरी कहली करेंट फ्लो कथा कहली एटा कथा कहली वायर कहली राइट हैंड थंब लेके मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट कथा कहली एटा कहली लूप रे कथा कहली तापर कहली ए वायर रे जदी से लूप रे ध्यान देलियो जदी एटा ना वायर थी ना ये प्लस माइनस तो मैग्नेटिक कंपास रखा कंपास मैग्नेटिक कंपास देखी मैग्नेटिक कंपास रे कॉन्सेप्ट बुझे कंपास तो ये थोड़ा टिके हिंट्स देती कंपास रे प्रीवियस क्लासेस रे तो ये ଏଠି କମ୍ପାସ ଦେଖିପାରୁଛ, ଏଇ ଯେଉଁ କମ୍ପାସ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ଦେଖିବ, ଏଇ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଏଇ ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟା ପଢ଼ାଉଥିଲି ନା ମୋବାଇଲରେ, ମୋତେ କହିଦେଉଛି ଏକ୍ଜାକ୍ଟଲି ଏଇ ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟା ପଢ଼ୁଥିଲେ ଅଧା ପଢ଼ା ହେଇଥିବ, ଦେଖିବ ବ୍ଲାକ୍ କଲର୍ ସାର୍ଟଟା ପିନ୍ଧିଛି ଅଧା ପଢ଼ା ହେଇଥିବ, ବିକଜ ଆଟ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଟାଇମ୍ ୱାନ୍ ମାଇ ଫୋନ୍ କଲ୍ କେମ୍ ସଡନଲି ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଜଷ୍ଟ କଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ବନ୍ଦ ହେଇଗଲା, ତ ହାଫ୍ ହେଇକି ବନ୍ଦ ହେଇଗଲା, ତ 1 second I will revise this after 1 second, okay, so you also see that this is a compass, magnetic compass. In general magnetic compass, this is always north south. If this is north, this is south, no doubt this is west, this is east, clear, south north east west. So south north east west in this way, if this is south north east west, then what will happen? The north direction is there. You know the geographically north direction. Geographically north direction has a south pole. Earth in earth. Earth has a in the earth like globe. You know this in earth. So there is a pole. That's north and south. So there is a magnet. This is also magnet. This is a geographically north direction south pole and south direction north pole is there. Geographically north direction आमे जोटा को उत्तर दिग north direction north pole north direction रे earth रो south pole थाए earth भीतर गोटे magnet थाए earth रो जो magnet ता तार भीतर pole थाए south pole north pole थाए तो earth रो north pole टा हमरो geographically south direction रे थाए तार south pole टा geographically north direction थाए तेणु मतलब magnetic compass गोटे झुले देबो से north pole north south हे रहबो काहे कि ना magnetic compass suppose ये देखो पेन देखि परछो imagine this is a magnetic compass ये जो black color part ता north pole this needle is a compass sorry this needle is also magnet this is north pole this is south pole this north pole attracted towards south pole because in the north direction south pole is there अर्थ साउथ पोल टा नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन में अच्छी तो ये नॉर्थ पोल टा এটা नॉर्थ पोल সেটা नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन नॉर्थ पोल नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन नॉर्थ पोल नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन नॉर्थ पोल नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन तो नॉर्थ पोल टा नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन में इंडिकेट करछि काहे कि ना नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन रे साउथ पोल टा अछि साउथ पोल को नॉर्थ पोल अट्रैक्ट होचुंदी सेति पे ये बुली पडुछि ताले तो एमती थांदा काहे कि ना दिस नॉर्थ पोल अट्रैक्टेड नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन नॉर्थ रिप्रेजेंट हो the north को south attract होगा ना that's why the north south attract each other so the magnetic needle directed towards the north geographically north direction because the south pole is there like that the south direction north pole is there so in this way the magnetic compass is directed understood so like here but when a current carrying conductor when a current carrying conductor is placed when a current carrying conductor is placed here and a magnetic compass is just placed over the current carrying conductor over the wire so over the wire is there then there is a rule as snow means south north over west right south north when the current is flowing from south to north the magnetic compass needle is as usual before that this is this position when before that this position but after that after current switch on the magnetic needle now reflected what in that direction right the magnetic needle so finally this is the needle now bends towards west this is north this is south this is current this is east so now the magnetic needle deflects towards exactly not west but towards west and bend hobo because this way south north this is practical phenomenon this happens that's why जहाँ घटुचे हम लिखुचे कहीं घटुचे आप कथा आम जहाँ यहाँ है लिखा द स्नो अकॉर्डिंग टू स्नो रूल कौन कहला व्हेन ए करंट कैरिंग कंडक्टर प्लेस्ड इज देयर बिलो द कंपास और ए कंपास इज प्लेस्ड above the wire current carrying conductor wire okay the wire ऊपर रखिबे ताले कोन हो द needle टा bend हो towards west this is clear so this is from this is slow rule if there is a slow rule look at here very important SNOW south to north below east naturally below east south and north then north to south below west north to south over east. This is the for rule. But type it is this one. The snow rule. Snow rule once again from the south. Now when the current is flowing from south to north over west, the magnetic compass needle is deflected towards the west. When the current is flowing from south to north and the magnetic compass is placed below the wire, then it is deflected towards the east. When the current is flowing from north to south and magnetic compass is below the wire, then it is deflected towards the west. When the current is flowing from north to south, then the compass is placed over the west, over the wire, then it deflects towards the east. Ere bhai ragi golo ki? Rago na. Mu कहया पाई तमे सुनिया पाई नहीं तमे तो जे चालाक पे से बुझी सुई को ठीक बोले दो से बुझी गला जे न बुझी बच्चो व्यस्त ने मु अच्छे कहि होए look at here hey you all of you attention here look at here when a current carrying conductor or current flowing from south to north, look at this letter, from south to north over west, how the magnetic compass deflects. When current flows from south to north direction, deflects over west. S and O means south north over west. Over means compass ta upar thala. So this is situation. When the south north, compass ta tole thala. Compass south na north na, तो west east by the only east क्या कुछ सुनो ना इला east तो west east अरे बाबू यहाँ वाले से आने की बस यार ने south north तो west that is south north तो below रखो तो east simple this is यहाँ जाता ना ऊपर रखो तो सब west वाला तले रखो तो east असला very simple okay तो साउथ नॉर्थ करंट जाउची यदि कंपास टा ऊपर रखिलो वेस्ट आट बोलला तळे रखिलो तो ईस्ट आट बोलला वेरी सिंपल तो साउथ नॉर्थ ओवर वेस्ट साउथ नॉर्थ ओवर वेस्ट साउथ नॉर्थ बिलो ईस्ट साउथ नॉर्थ ओवर वेस्ट साउथ नॉर्थ बिलो ईस्ट ओवर वेस्ट बिलो ईस्ट ओवर वेस्ट बिलो ईस्ट साउथ नॉर्थ सेम क्लियर लाइक दैट नॉर्थ टू साउथ हेला साउथ नॉर्थ जाउतला एबे उल्टा ही जो जति एमती जो बाबू लार्ज जो बाबू नॉर्थ टू साउथ जति हेला ना जदि सेही कंपास टा ऊपर रखिलो एबे जो वेस्ट को बोलतरा ईस्ट भी जोरे एमती जोरे देखो मार्क साउथ नॉर्थ साउथ ओवर वेस्ट ओवर ईस्ट ओके ईस्ट एटा ओवर लुक एट देयर ओवर साउथ नॉर्थ ओवर दिस इज ओवर दिस इज ओवर ओके साउथ नॉर्थ साउथ ओवर वेस्ट ईस्ट बुझेगा आराम से वीडियो को बार बार देखो तेरे बुझी पानो बुझी पारो मु कोन कहूछ नॉर्थ साउथ नॉर्थ गले ओवर वेस्ट नॉर्थ टू साउथ गले ओवर ईस्ट ओवर सेम ओवर रहला वेस्ट ईस्ट चेंज होची सेम थिंग साउथ नॉर्थ सेम ओवर बिलो ईस्ट वेस्ट ओवर बिलो ईस्ट वेस्ट जोडा चेंज पूरा करी चेंज साउथ नॉर्थ गले जा नॉर्थ साउथ ठीक उल्टा ऊपर रखले जा तळे रखले उल्टा एति तो कथा ओके ये सरीला सो मु तो लिखा के पड़िबो चेष्टा करछि लिखा पे बट किंतु ऑटोमेटिक पड़े कि नेक्स्ट लिखा के और वीडियो कर दे ओके डोंट वरी तो ये हेला थोड़ा लूप वंस अगेन दिस इज व्हाट लूप कैन कनेक्टर दिस इज स्नो रूल दिस इज जनरल सर्किट ओके देन दिस इज द टू शो द मैग्नेटिक कंपास में जो अर्थ मैग्नेटिक कंपास shows the direction of the current, direction, geographical direction of the earth. Okay, this is all about your magnetic effect of the electric current. Same topic. So more information is there. Also, just like a coil is there, I'll discuss here coil, how the magnetic compressed coil, there is properties. So one by again I'll discuss this much today. So next video, immediately next video we have to observe. Okay, thank you.